subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe and press the bell icon near so that you get the notification of my new videos.
Hello friends, are you worried about your hair fall? Do you have grey hairs? Then this video is exactly for you. Keep watching. In today's video, we'll make a hair pack which will help in reducing hair fall, grey hairs, and will give strength to the hair roots and the shaft. It will promote the hair growth. Let's see the ingredients required. To make this pack, we need gooseberry powder, bhringraj powder, hibiscus powder, curry leaf powder, and shikakaai powder, and henna powder. I have bought all these things in a local kirana shop or a pansari dukan as we call. If these powders are not available in your area, I'll leave a buy link in the description box so that you can easily buy it from there. To make this hair pack, we need an iron kadai which will enhance the qualities of these powders. Let us start. Once the kadai gets heated, I am adding the gooseberry powder. I am adding the entire packet, that is 50 grams. You will get a nice aroma. Try the amla powder. It has to get darkened. Now we can see the color of the amla powder. It has turned into dark. Now we will add half a glass of hot water. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Just half a glass. Now we'll mix it. See, the color has become black. I'm just scraping out the corners. This is actually the natural hair dye. Natural hair dye without any ammonia or any kind of chemicals. I'm adding water. Yes, I guess this is enough. Wow, look at the color. Nice dark black. Now I am adding 25 grams of curry leaf powder, half the packet. More water is needed. adding the bringraj powder, 25 grams. My kitchen has filled with aroma. Wow. We'll add some more water. Now I'll add the hibiscus powder. See, it is red in color. 25 grams. We'll add some more water. Now we'll add 20 grams of shikakaai powder. Whenever a new powder is getting added, a new aroma is coming out. Wow. It's time to add the henna powder now. I'm adding 50 grams of henna powder. I'm not promoting any brand. You can use any brand which you like, whichever you pick. It has become completely dry. We need to add water. Water. Get cool down to the room temperature. After that, we'll close with the lid and we'll store it overnight. We are done now, and we'll store this overnight. We'll apply this just like applying any henna pack to our hair. You can apply from the scalp to the hair. No need to worry about that. This hair pack is completely herbal, so you need not worry about any kind of side effects. Even though if you have a hypersensitive scalp, you can do a patch test and then apply it. No need of adding any egg or oil, anything in this pack. Just directly apply. Use this hair pack once in a week. If you use it continuously for 4 weeks, you will find a visible difference. There will be much difference in the hair color, hair strength, and your hair fall will be reduced, and everyone will start noticing it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.